Are you looking for the best pink PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC case on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lian ATX Pink Computer Case. The Lian ATX PC case is great for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both style and functionality. It comes with upgraded features like a mesh front panel for better airflow and magnetic dust filters to keep dust away. There are 3 RGB LED PWM fans included, 2 140mm front fans and 1 120mm rear fan. You can customize the lighting effects using the C/M button on the top. This case has a tempered glass side panel to show off RGB components and fits various motherboard sizes including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX. Installing components is simple with removable SSD mounting brackets, swappable top fan brackets, and easy access to the PSU and HDD bay. Managing cables is easy with enough space behind the motherboard tray. The top panel features 2x USB 3.0 Type-A ports, 1x USB Type-C port, power button, C/M button, and audio in/out. It offers user-friendly installation and a stylish appearance. At number 2. Apelia Genesis PK Midtower Gaming Case. The Apelia Crusader FPK is an excellent choice for entry-level full-size PC cases. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, featuring steel construction and a tempered glass side panel. It comes with a 1-year warranty and front panel connectors including 1 USB 3.0 port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 2 audio ports. This pink PC case supports high-end components, such as a 165mm tall CPU cooler and a 350mm long graphics card. It also supports a standard ATX power supply. With support for up to 3x120mm front, 2x120mm top, 2x120mm bottom, and 1x120mm rear fans, including 3x120mm front and 1x120mm rear RGB fans. Additionally, it can accommodate a 360mm front cooling radiator. Like other full-size ATX Pink PC cases, it offers 7 PCIe expansion slots and supports 2x3.5-inch and 2x2.5-inch drive bays. At number 3. Vetru ATX Gaming Pink PC Case. Vetru's Pink PC case comes with ample features and a spacious design, accommodating ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. It offers multiple front ports. It includes 1x USB 3.0 and 2x USB 2.0 ports, along with 2x audio ports. Constructed with steel and a tempered glass side panel, it also boasts a 1-year warranty. The case supports up to 165mm tall CPU coolers, 350mm long graphics cards, and ATX power supplies up to 160mm in length. It features 2x2.5-inch and 2x3.5-inch drive bays, and cooling options include 3x140mm front, 2x140mm top, and 1x120mm rear fans, with 3x120mm. Additionally, it supports up to a 360mm front and up to a 280mm top cooling radiator, and offers 7 PCIe expansion slots due to its full ATX form factor. At number 4. Maraming Computer Case Pink. The Maraming ATX PC case is designed for gamers, focusing on style and performance. It features a sleek design with a durable tempered glass side window for showcasing your build. The front grille is mesh for maximum airflow, keeping your components cool during long gaming sessions. With 3 RGB front fans, the MC300P effectively cools your hardware. It supports 120mm liquid coolers for extra cooling. Its small size, it has plenty of space inside for Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, plus multiple SSDs and HDDs. The built-in RGB lighting system adds visual appeal, flowing through the vents. Top-mounted controls and connections are easily accessible for customization. It combines style and functionality, ideal for gamers wanting a compact yet powerful setup. At number 5. Thermaltake PC Case Pink. Thermaltake is a well-known brand for computer cases, cooling solutions, fans, and more, for its high quality and durability. The Thermaltake Pink PC case is a premium and sturdy option, ideal for long-term use. Its unique design supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, featuring high-quality steel and tempered glass panels. A standout feature is its 3-year warranty, adding to its value despite the higher price. The case includes 2x USB 3.0, 1x USB Type-C, and 2x audio ports for convenience. Despite being a mid-tower, it accommodates large components like 150mm tall CPU coolers and 320mm long GPUs. It's compatible with powerful 180mm long ATX PSUs and offers decent storage with 2x3.5-inch and 3x2.5-inch drive bays. With 5 PCIe expansion slots, it supports up to 2x140mm front and 2x140mm top fans, plus a 280mm cooling radiator at the front.